In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Steam on your PC. So this is very easy and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. The first thing you have to do is you have to search for Steam. So just type in Steam and then hit enter. And now the first website is store.steampowered.com. You want to hit this button, welcome to Steam, and now you're in the Steam website. And as you can see, this button says install Steam. You can hit it and then Steam will install on your PC. It's also available on Mac and the Steam OS. So you just want to hit install Steam, then hit open, and then hit yes. You want to allow this app to remain access, then hit next again. Now select your language. So for me it's English, but you can choose any language. Then select the download destination folder and then hit install. Now Steam will install and you can hit run Steam after you hit finish. So I hit run and now Steam is going to update. This may take a while, but it shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Now it's done and you can go down till you see a Steam logo. You want to hit this. And as you can see, this is the Steam login client. So you want to enter your account name. So I do how272 and then the password, just like this. Then hit login, just like this. And now Steam is going to launch. As you can see, this is the Steam client. You can go to your store, library, to your settings. And yeah, now you installed Steam. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Bye.